Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 8 Ashoka, the Emperor who gave up war. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section The Emperor and the Capital City, Part 3. This comprises 11 questions. Question 1. Megasthenes also wrote about Dash. The options are Kashi, modern Varanasi, Pataliputra, modern Patna, Vajji, Bodh Gaya. Your time to choose. And the answer is Pataliputra. So, Megasthenes also wrote about Pataliputra, modern Patna. Question 2. Pataliputra, modern Patna, was Dash. The options are a large city, a beautiful city, a large and beautiful city, a grand royal city. Your time to choose. And the answer is a large and beautiful city. So, Pataliputra, modern Patna, was a large and beautiful city. Question 3. Pataliputra, modern Patna, was surrounded by Dash. The options are a moat, guards, elephants, a massive wall. Your time to choose. And the answer is a massive wall. So, Pataliputra, modern Patna, was surrounded by a massive wall. Question 4. Pataliputra, modern Patna, was surrounded by a massive wall which had dash. The options are 570 towers, 64 gates, 570 towers and 64 gates, 570 watchtowers. Your time to choose. And the answer is 570 towers and 64 gates. So, Pataliputra, modern Patna, was surrounded by a massive wall which had 570 towers and 64 gates. Question 5. The houses in Pataliputra were of dash. The options are 2 stories, 3 stories, 2 and 3 stories, 3 stories only. Your time to choose. And the answer is 2 and 3 stories. So, the houses in Pataliputra were of 2 and 3 stories. Question 6. The houses of Pataliputra of 2 and 3 stories were built of dash. The options are wood, mud brick, wood and mud brick, bronze beams. Your time to choose. And the answer is wood and mud brick. So, the houses of Pataliputra of 2 and 3 stories were built of wood and mud brick. Question 7. The king's palace in Pataliputra was of dash. The options are bronze beams, wood, mud bricks, stones and bricks. Your time to choose. And the answer is wood. So, the king's palace in Pataliputra was of wood. Question 8. The king's palace in Pataliputra was of wood and was decorated with dash. The options are gold, gold and silver, gold ornaments, stone carvings. Your time to choose. And the answer is stone carvings. So, the king's palace in Pataliputra was of wood and was decorated with stone carvings. Question 9. The king's palace in Pataliputra was surrounded with dash. The options are gardens, guards, enclosures for keeping birds, gardens and enclosures for keeping birds. Your time to choose. And the answer is gardens and enclosures for keeping birds. So, the king's palace in Pataliputra was surrounded with gardens and enclosures for keeping birds. Question 10. The king had special servants to taste the food because the options are the food had to be tasty, the emperor ate hot food only, the emperor was allergic to cashew, he was afraid that someone may poison him. Your time to choose. And the answer is he was afraid that someone may poison him. So, the king had special servants to taste the food because he was afraid that someone may poison him. Question 11, last question. Mohenjo-daro was different from Pataliputra because Mohenjo-daro had dash. The options are houses of either one or two stories, houses of baked bricks, a higher part citadel and a lower part, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, Mohenjo-daro was different from Pataliputra because Mohenjo-daro had houses of either one or two stories and houses of baked bricks and a higher part citadel and a lower part. Okay, so in this video we learned every point in the section The Emperor and the Capital City Part 3. In the next video we will learn every point in the section Ashoka, a unique ruler. I'll see you there.